Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another TFSA trade portfolio update. Just wanted to jump on though as well and say thanks to everybody that's been joining on the live streams. Having a lot of fun with those. If you haven't joined one, we go live Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45. It would be great to have you there, the coffee crew that turns up. We have some great conversations, and if you can join, more the merrier. Without further ado, let's get into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA using the app. As you can see at the very start, we've had a decent past month. It has been a good January, and February has been started off on a good note with the market so far. Let's hope it can continue. It's definitely helped my portfolio. Hopefully it's helping yours as well. And let's just go through. We will go in and we'll do, well, let's not do today's price, we'll do total value for everything in the market. So BAM, Brookfield Asset Management, this is the one that is part of the StreamYard challenge. I'm trying to save, canceled my StreamYard subscription and trying to save that each month into BAM. I just did a deposit yesterday, the first of the month, and put in about $33.25 purchasing a fractional share of BAM. I also had a dividend come through from RNW and DIV, and I rolled all that in to BAM. So a little bit more than $33 went in there, but that's the goal of the BAM challenge, is to put in $25 US, convert it to Canadian, put it into BAM every month. And we were up 5.7%, $3.76 on our 1.633 shares of BAM. BEP, Brookfield Renewables, down unfortunately 15.04%. We've come back a little bit up with that one, which is good. Happy about that. Down though $121.17. BN, that is at Brookfield Corp. That was all that spin-off with the BN. I haven't added any more to that. I'm just gonna let this one sit, but we are up, you know what, 8.1%, which is good, $5.86. We just have just over 1.5 shares of that. I'll leave that one for now, see what happens, but no plans to add anything extra into that at this point. BTCY, we can kind of drill into this one. This one has had a pretty good past month, which is nice. This is the Bitcoin, the purpose of Bitcoin yield ETF. This one will pay the monthly dividends. But as you can see, if we click on to the past month, we've been up just over 30%, which is awesome. That's really helped out my portfolio. So I'm happy about that. And we are down just a little bit on it, 14.05%. But as you can see, Bitcoin can do what Bitcoin does, can come back quite quickly. Well, as well can drop quite quickly too. But we're down 14.05%, $106.74 on our 192 shares. As the dividends come through with that one, I do purchase more shares of BTCY. CMC, this one we skip over, as you know, if you've been following along. That is my reminder. DIV, doing good though. This was recommended by the coffee crew on the live stream, up 8.7%. Happy about that. Had the dividend come through for that, which was able to put it into BAM. Awesome. Happy about that. Up $26 on 100 shares. That being said, I am coming up to, well, getting close to the 100th live stream. I may kind of think about buying possibly another 100 shares of DIV, kind of a celebration for that extra 100 episodes. We'll see how that goes. ETC, this is the Evolve Cryptocurrencies ETF. This is a mixture of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Does not pay any yields, as you know, but again, it's had a decent month, up pretty good, 42.39%. I haven't added any more to this position though. Still debating whether I do want to keep adding to that. I will, but it's when to do it. But unfortunately right now, down 55.48%, down $739.95. That's a big one. That's the biggest, probably about the biggest chunk of the portfolio right now being down. And the next one, Greenlane Renewables, down 49.15%. This is that, you know, blue chip, you know, bit more penny stock, a long-term investment for this one, but I have faith in Greenlane, and I will slowly still be adding to that position as well while I can. PSA, this is the Purpose High Interest Savings account. Basically what it does is cash. I'm sitting at $299.73. It is down just a little bit. What happens though, as the ex-dividend date passes, it sells off, the price will go down. This will slowly creep up and towards the next ex-dividend date. But we will get a dividend from this, I believe, coming through on February 9th, and we'll probably be back in the green with that one. But it does do that every month if you actually look at that chart. So not too worried about that. Just over almost 6 shares I will be adding. That's part of my weekly deposit, goes into PSA. I typically buy 1 share, and that's where that goes, just to build up a bit of cash into my TFSA. And the dividend or interest, you know, what it's paying is okay, 4.59% as of right now. REI.UN, Ryokan Real Estate. I've sold off that one. If you've been watching the channel, I sold off and bought the Tesla yield with some of that. I still have just over 6 shares, up 11.77%, which is awesome. $15.49 on Ryokan. TransAlta Renewables, 56 shares, down still 29.66%, $286.87 on RNW. We'll still be adding to that. Dividends haven't changed, so happy about that. We'll keep an eye on that one though, that's for sure. Slate Office REIT, 130 shares, still getting those regular dividends as well. Down though, unfortunately, 9.11%, $58.75. TELUS up 2%. There we go. It's nice to see some green, like I say, in the portfolio, up 2.03% on our, well, just over 20 shares, $11.81 on TELUS. Now on Tesla, we are up. This is nice to see, up 20, we have 29 shares. This is the Tesla CDR. We are up 14.25%, $64.11. VDY up on this one. This is VDY. I'm adding 1 share of VDY every Monday as part of my regular deposits going in of 2023. Up 5.89%, awesome, which is $186.01 on the portfolio, which is great. It's nice to finally see some green. VFE, S&P 500 Index ETF by Vanguard, up 1.32%. We've had some good, nice increases coming on the S&P, which is great. So we are up on this one now, and $45.39 in the green on the portfolio. Last but not least here, this is the Tesla yield, and this one has done surprisingly well. This is the one I purchased. I sold my Ryokan, purchased this. I have 31 shares, and currently, you know what? It's up 37.38%. Will this continue? I have, no idea. Not saying to jump into this by any means, but this one will pay also a pretty hefty dividend right now. So I made the ex-dividend date, which is awesome. 31 shares, up 37.38% as of today, $188.85. Quite happy about that. I think that was a good trade on the portfolio. Learning slowly but surely. Let's just go right up to the very top here, see how we're doing past day. Now the market is closed, just kind of closed as I'm filming this, so some of these numbers might fluctuate a little bit, I find, but up 0.53% on the day, $70.82. On the week, 2.39%, $312.90. On the past month, this is where it's getting nice, 11.64%. The past month, $1,397.48 in some green. Past 3 months, 6.96%, $872.19. Now we're gonna see a little bit of green, unfortunately. In the past year, down 6.27%, but we're gaining this back slowly but surely, which is nice to see, $896.05. And our all-time portfolio has been going since April 1st, 2 years ago. So we're almost hitting the 2-year mark actually on the channel and on the portfolio, but down, unfortunately, down 7.97%, $1,161.09. It's nice to see the gains. If you go back and look at some of my videos, we were way down in some of these numbers. So it's nice to see them improving. Nice to see the green coming back into the market. Will it continue? Who knows, but it's nice to see a little bit of gains coming through in the shorter term anyways. All right, as always, be sure to let me know down below in the comments. It's always interesting to see what people are buying. What are you buying? What are you selling? We also get into that conversation on the live stream. So if you want to join us, we are, like I said, we are live 8 o'clock Pacific time, Monday to Friday. It'd be great to have you join on. If you can't watch it live though, the replays are always there on the channel. You can always catch the replay. Leave me a comment on one of the replays as well. Be happy to try and answer for you. But that's all, everybody. It is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. TGIF live stream is already posted, so you can go in there, hit that notification. You'll get notified when we do go live in the morning. It'd be great to see you on the Coffee Crew. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.